Do you like music? What if I told you you can earn money just only by listening to music? Okay, you can earn up to $12 per music you listen to. All right, it sounds crazy, right? All right, guys, before we move on today's video, if you like to earn money online, okay, then you want to subscribe to my channel, because I do create videos every week on how to make money online. Okay, and also make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know your thoughts, let me know where you're living, or let me know your country, so I will show you methods that work very well in your area. Okay, all right, let's jump into today's video. There's this platform I want to show you. You earn $12 for every music you listen to, for every track. All right, so the name of this platform I want to show you is called Play Push. Okay, you go to playpush.com. As you can see, what this Play Push is for is that it connects artists, newcoming artists that they are not well known. Yeah, it connects them, make their music known to other people. Do you understand? And let's just go ahead and look further into this platform. Yeah, as you see, this is for artists and also for for creators. Okay, as we know, I will still show you in the next minute. We join as creators, but I'll go further into that in the next minute. Let's just go ahead and look at this platform. Okay, we get rewards. You earn money by listening and reviewing music. Okay, just only, if you like, you can only listen to them. You also earn money for that. But when you review also the music you listen to, okay, when you give your opinion on the music, you also receive money. You also receive payment for that. Okay, you earn money by listening and reviewing songs. Okay, and discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. Okay, that's it, guys. And you see, they have run more than 5,500 successful campaigns with other. This means other new artists can come here and run campaigns, okay, that they make for their new album or for the new music that people can know, get awareness of their music. All right, and what we want to do is that we want to join. We want to join as a creator. Okay, but before we go on, let me still show you their payment proof. We go here for creators, because that's what we're interested in. Okay, we want to join as a creator. As you can see here, all right, it shows, yeah, we paid per reviews. Okay, you get $12. That is very easy. All you need to do is just listen to this music, okay, and then you share your opinion, your thoughts on each music you listen to, and you earn $12 per song. All right, okay, and they pay. This company pay instant, like you can see, as you can see here, instant payout. Okay, you can request a payout anytime you want. Okay, they pay directly into your bank. Let me highlight this for you guys so you can see. They pay directly into your bank account, and you can remove this money and use it to do anything you like. Okay, you also have the opportunity to discover new music. All right, okay, as you can see in this platform, I mean, for you to be eligible to earn money on this platform, if you wait to the end of the video, I will show you how you can earn more money with this platform. I will show you some tips and tricks. If you wait to the end of this video, I will show you some tricks and tips on a method on how you can promote, because before you can earn money on this platform, you need a playlist, okay, that already has 400 followers. Okay, to do that, don't worry, I will show you how you can do this. Don't just skip this video, because if you skip it, you will miss a lot. Okay, you will not understand the method we're going to use here. All right, so let's keep going. Okay, we can go to this place, but I just want to show you where they write it that you need 400 to become a creator. Become a curator, you need 400 followers for your playlist to join this. Okay, and you need to connect this to your Spotify. Do you have a Spotify app? Okay, if you have it, you can. If you don't have, all you need to do is go to Google and search for Spotify and join Spotify. Okay, and sign up for Spotify. Okay, but there's still one thing I want to show you. Just a minute. Okay, let's just click. Let's go on learn more. Discover new music for your playlist. And okay, this is it here. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist, okay, with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. Okay, to do it with YouTube Music, I will also show you that before this video ends, but mostly on this video we want to focus on Spotify. Okay, I will show you theory method. That's why you don't want to miss any part of this video. I will show you theory method that you can use to promote your playlist. All right, let me show you how you can register as a curator. Okay, and you see here, just click become a curator. We want to click your countries because this platform are open for many countries like that, as you can see. Okay, Afghanistan, Belgium, Bolivia. As you can see, they have so many countries here. Okay, also in Mexico, Moldova, and so much country, as you can see, also in Africa. Okay, all right guys, this platform supports many countries. You can easily join this platform and as a curator. All right, so you want to click your country here and you ask how many followers do you have. You need starting from 400 upward. All right, the concept here is that you create a playlist on Spotify. All right, if you don't know how to create a playlist on Spotify, I will not specialize on that now. You can go to Google and search for it, how to create a playlist on Spotify. All right, after signing up with Spotify, and then when you create your playlist, you want to come to the first website called soundplate.com. all right, you want to come, let me highlight it for you. I'll leave the link also in the description. You want to come to soundplate.com. okay, you want to sign up here, and as you can see, no, you don't even need to sign up here. You can just come to this website and you come to where you see where they write on the top, okay, plus playlist. Okay, you want to click on plus playlist. Okay, this way you can add your playlist. All right, for you, so that you can get more viewers and you can get more followers. Okay, you can get more listeners and more followers. Okay, when you have a good combined track together and you make a good playlist with that, you have more advantage of people liking your playlist and also following your playlist. All right, you want to come here and see get started and add a Spotify playlist now. Okay, just come here and you write the name of your playlist, okay, and the description. All right, the title of your playlist. All right, you come here to put the link to your Spotify playlist, and then a description, okay, of your playlist. All right, and then you write your name and your email address, okay, and you confirm your email address again. That's it, and you can submit your playlist. Okay, that's number one. And the other platform I want to show you is where you can submit your playlist to gain more followers is Reddit. All right, you come to Reddit, and as you can see, you can go to Reddit, and then let me show you the you write reddit.com, okay, /r/Spotify. All right, you want to come here. There's a Spotify playlist. Okay, as you can see, there are many other playlists from other people here. Okay, there's a playlist here, and you can come here and join the groups. Okay, and after joining the group, you can start uploading your playlist to get more followers. Okay, to get more people that listen to your music, and through that, when they like your music, they will also follow your playlist. All right, when they like your playlist, as you can see, they have 189,000 members. Okay, and they are always online. You see 600, and you see here, right, they 697 people right now online. Okay, so that's number two. All right, the third method I want to show you is the platform where you're watching me now. Yeah, you get it. The third platform is YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. All right, but before you can join YouTube, you need to have a Gmail account, and you join YouTube. Okay, and you can upload your playlist. All right, you can upload your playlist on YouTube. All right, you can upload your playlist on YouTube. As you can see, there are so many playlists here on YouTube. Okay, all you want to do is you want to sign up and have a YouTube channel. Okay, where you can upload your playlist. Okay, like this one here now. As you can see, he have all his playlists here. Best pop playlist on Spotify 2020, Spotify top 50 hits, and best English song collection. As you can see, let me just highlight it for you guys. You go to his description, and you see that he have so many playlist here. All right, so this is how you want to do it. Like this guy, you want to create a YouTube channel, and you want to upload your playlist to YouTube, to your YouTube channel. All right, there are many other ones doing it like this. Okay, there's also one. This is another one here. Okay, this is another one here. They have already 244,000 subscribers. So this is how you're gonna do it, guys. So you want to come to YouTube and create a channel, but before you can create a channel on YouTube, you need to have a Gmail account. Okay, so you can now upload your Spotify playlist, okay, on YouTube. And after this is how you get in 3 to 5 days, you can get easily this 400 followers, and then you go back to playlist push, and then start earning money on playlist push. Okay, and start earning this $12 per music. Okay, and you come here, and you can now, and then you are qualified to earn this $12 per songs. Okay, and you also leave your reviews here. Okay, that's how to do it, guys. If you know you gain value on this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I do make video on how to make money online. I show you every week new methods and legal method on how to make money online. So you don't want to miss that. Also, make sure you click the bell icon, so anytime when I make video like this, you put the first one to get notified. All right, leave your comment below, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.